everybody, welcome to another video, short tutorial video of ACOnetwork. And yes, if you already saw my previous video, which you can still see by clicking right here or going in the description below this video, I was talking how to remove ads from web browser, Mozilla Firefox. Okay, but in this video I will still remove ads, but in Google Chrome web browser. So don't forget to subscribe, to like or dislike videos, and of course share videos with your friends so everybody can learn. And let's start! So first up, I need to open up Google Chrome web browser. And in this window, let's click the three dots, go to More Tools and click Extensions. On this list of extensions, just click Get More Extensions and you are redirected to Google Chrome's store, web store, where you can get a lot of different extensions and themes for your Google Chrome web browser. And now in this search box, just type in uBlock, press enter on the keyboard, and under uBlock origin just click add to Chrome. If you click add extension, you are confirming that you want to install this specific extension, and as you see, extension is installed. And let's say we want to go to some website, for example youtube.com, and as you see, there is a little gray square with a number 3 inside. That means that 3 different ads detected and blocked. But for some reason, let's say you want to disable this ad blocker, so on this specific web page, let's say youtube.com, ad blocker will not block any ads. Just click this icon, and if you click this blue button, it becomes gray. That means that this ad blocker is disabled on this website, and we can just click these 2 arrows to refresh that website. So these ads are shown. For an example, on one website where you can sell stuff and buy stuff, if I wanted to sell some, let's say, graphic card, I could not post this new ad. Why? Because ad blocker determined that some part of this website, which is also responsible for adding this, let's say, new ad, he determined that this specific part is ad and it blocked. So indeed, that case, I needed to disable this ad blocker as I did it before on this specific website, so I can get full functionality of this website. But on most sites there is no problem. You can block all these ads and there will be no problems at all. Just for information, you can also search here for YouTube ad blocker. Sorry. YouTube ad block for YouTube. You know that ads that can be annoying when you are watching some YouTube video and this ad comes up in the middle of the video. This ad block for YouTube removes all these ads. Okay, most of these ads. But remember that all these ads gives money to these YouTuber that have all these videos that you are watching. So if you disabling these ads, the specific person, whoever it is, cannot get any money off of these ads. So it is all up to you if you want to block or not. If you want, just click add to Chrome And that's it.
So that was it for today. I hope you liked the video. By the way, if you have any questions, did not like something, want to know something more, have any question, want to talk, or just comment this video, you can do all of that stuff right below this video in comment section. So have a great day, bye bye!
If you like the video, of course, give thumbs up, comment the video, share the video with your friends, coworkers and so on, and of course subscribe to my channel for more videos.